Mommy, Sissy, I have something for you to open in honor of Easter.
What's that?
Welcome to the Doorables. These are Easter egg Doorables. There are pastel figures in these.
Okay, so do we have it? Does it say on? Oh, we don't know.
We don't know who it is. It's a complete surprise.
Okay, so let's wait and see if they match their egg color.
Yes. Any commentary, Sissy? Or are you mute
They're
now?
very pastel.
For a while, I thought she was mute.
I want.
All right, Mama, I already have it, so you can actually just pull the whole top open.
Pull the top up. You know me. I get.
She gets really violent.
I get excited and want to open them.
Yes,
up.
you do.
If this was my husband, he would be ripping them.
Yes.
This whole box.
I want to do the turquoise ones.
Okay, you guys each pick one.
I'm doing turquoise.
Okay. Keep it away from the fire. The fire here. It smells like a carrot cake. Violence! Violence is the answer.
Pete.
She's a little overzealous. What do you
I think that was effective, though.
I think it was much more effective than us trying to do
Yeah,
it before.
good job. Okay, all right. You guys start opening those. Get the plastic off, and then we'll open them up. Mama, were you struggling?
I was. I just let her take the plastic.
Abby opened them all.
They
Okay.
snow.
All right. Are we opening them at the same time? Rach needs to do a purple one.
Well,
too.
no, you guys do yours at the same time because somebody has to hold the camera.
All right.
Okay,
Are these
open them
only-
up.
I gotta ask, are these the only eggs you have?
Yes, these are the only eggs I have.
So are any of these gonna be repeats or are these all
I
gonna be
don't
turning?
think so, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's inside?
We got
A sticker. Mom got a sticker of joy.
And I got a mini with sparkly eyes.
Oh, and a mini sticker. Oh, so cute. Let's pull it out. So here are our first two. Mom wants to turn into a street peddler.
What?
She forgot once.
There's a reason I don't go here.
You come here just for chaos.
Here's Minnie.
Good job, Mom. Okay, Mom, pick another egg.
Okay.
You're so silly.
All right, we're doing purple.
Doing purple, okay. Open them up. What's inside? Who'd you get?
Pink Stitch.
That's called Angel. Her name is
Oh, I
Angel.
knew that.
Yes, and Mom got Cheshire Cat. Very cute. Very cute. Let's pull them out and show them to you. Here are the four we have so far. We have two left. Mama, pick one. Abby, pick one.
Turquoise.
Are you gonna get Sully or are you gonna get the frog from Princess and the Frog whose name I forget?
Are you talking about Naveen or are you talking about Tiana?
This is gonna be Sully.
I think I'm getting because I think it's too obvious. I think I'm getting Sully.
Okay, I'm thinking this is Sully. Let's see.
Okay, let's see if they're obvious or not.
Nope, you got Sully.
Mommy got Sally and Abby got Tiana. I think, is that Tiana or Naveen?
Oh, this is Tiana because it has the eyes.
All right, let's line them all up and show everybody. Doorables unboxing is now a family affair. They are now organizing all of the egg halves. I don't know why, but good job, family. Oh no, the peddler has returned.
No, you gotta do it with the same color. Then you have to.
Oh, no.
Okay, this is how she should have done it.
Oh no.
We got Tiana and Sully. Remember? Okay, we're gonna play it with. This is Tiana.
Yeah.
Oh, well, now it's Tiana's out.
You need a third one, but we can't.
Which one's Tiana?
The one on the right, because you didn't really do much.
Wrong!
No, I was going with my right.
Well, like I said, directions are subjective.
Exactly, that was the definition of they were
You
subjective.
weren't specific enough in your instructions. So let's try this again.
Okay.
Okay, we got Sully, Tiana. Okay, ready?
Yeah. What is happening right now?
Which one's Tiana?
Your left, my right.
She's not. Yay! Okay.
She's crazy.
Yeah, she's.
The apple doesn't fall far from the
And
tree.
she didn't even have wine like we
I'm
did.
sober.
Yes. Oh, I
You should hear her duck quack.
Bye. Happy Easter.
Oh, we're done?
I think that's enough. Bye.